Hey everybody, Eagle Run 23 here. I have a really exciting video for you, and I don't actually know how it's going to turn out as of right now. We are going to put some real wood chips into our pellet smoker. I've got a Pit Boss pellet smoker, and there's been quite a few people who have been interested in pellet smoking. I think a lot of us kind of have a pellet smoker and we're happy with the stuff that we get, but obviously we would like to use real wood. I don't have time for that, but I still want to smoke stuff. And so this is kind of in a happy medium for me. But I wasn't fully satisfied with the amount of smoke that I was getting. Well, there's a company, and I'll have a link for them here below, and hopefully a special deal as well. This is a special chipped wood that has been cut down and sized and screened appropriately so that it will run in your pellet smoker. Now, they're very clear on their website. They have only approved this for their brand. This is from a company called Lone Star Grills. I'll have a link for you below. Lone Star Grills does make a pellet smoker, so if you're interested in one, that would be a great spot to start. But if you already have a Traeger or a Pit Boss or a Camp Chef or some of the other pellet smokers on the market, they can't guarantee it would work, but we're going to try it right now in a Pit Boss, and I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, so here's a Pit Boss. We are burning through some pellets here. We just did a little clean out. You can see we've got to get through that so we can mix in our wood chips with our pellets. Okay, so we're on full rip here. That's 100% pellets. But starting here very soon, we're gonna be at about a 50-50 blend. Yeah, they should be making their way down into the hopper right now. We'll see if we can see them coming out. Okay, we're starting to see our first drops of pellets and wood chips coming in around 50-50. So that's pretty nice. Looks like we've got an increase in smoke for sure. Okay, so we pretty much immediately have a problem. There is a wood chunk stuck right there. Okay, we got it loose, but as it closes in that corner, I feel like we're going to constantly have wood chunks right there getting jammed into the mechanism. So that's more like a 70-30 mix with more pellets and less wood. That's a lot more smoke than normal. Oh yeah. Okay. I think it's working. Well, now not all experiments end exactly how you wish. So as it turns out, the Pit Boss is not great at handling the wood chips. Now when we could get it to run, we got lots of nice smoke. But as we are here just finishing up our pork butt, we've switched over and back to 100% pellets. It's not worth wasting my wood chips or chancing the auger getting clogged. It did produce very nice smoke. So if you think it will work in your grill, if you've got the Laredo 1000, didn't work so well for me. I was able to slip in maybe like 10% wood chips, and I did get more smoke out of it, but overall I had to clean out my hopper twice because I jammed it with the wood chips. So I don't know that I would necessarily do it again, but it could work for you, and when it does work, it works really well. Okay, I'll have to leave it at that. We're gonna keep trying it. Let me know what you think, and there'll be a code for you to check out Lone Star Grills wood chips for your smoker. All right, Eagle Run 23. Thanks for watching.